Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 3.1 question number 2. Organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form: 4 6 7 5 3 5 4 5 2 6 2 5 1 9 6 5 8 4 6 7. Here we make a table. Here it is serial number, this is marks obtained, this is tally marks, and this is a frequency, that is number of students, right? Here you see a serial number is 1 to 9 and marks 1, right? Obtained by number of students is 1. Here you see this is 1, only 1. Number 2 is, here you see number 2, 2 is 2 number, 1 is this one and this one, right? And 3 is 1, here 3 is 1, 1 is only 1, right? And 4 is 3, here 1 2 and 3 4, right? 5 is 5, here you see that is 1 2 3 4 and this 5 is 5. 6 is 4, 6 here it is 1 1 2 3 and 4, right? 7 is 2, here 7 is 2, this 7 and this 7 2, right? Now 8 is 1, here 8 is 1, this is 8 is 1, and 9 is also 1, here you see 9 is also 1, that is 9, right? Now the question is, which number is the highest? Here you see the highest number is 9, therefore we have written the highest number is 9, question number 1. Question number 2 is, which number is the lowest? Here you see the lowest number is 1, here you see the lowest number is 1. Now you have to find the range of the data. Range of the data means highest number minus lowest number. What is the highest number? 9. And what is the lowest number? 1. 9 minus 1, that is 8, is the range of the data, right? And if you find the arithmetic mean, before arithmetic mean we will find the tally marks. Here tally mark is 1, therefore we are writing the tally marks in this way. There it is 1 tally mark, it is 2, 1 1 2, it is 1, it is 3, 1 2 3, it is 5, 1 2 3 4, and 5 will be cross like this, 5 4 1 2 3 4 2, and again 1, again 1. Now it find the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean sum of all the numbers divided by the number of observations, right? Here if you sub, that is 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 9 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 divided by how many numbers is given? You see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Number of observation is 20, therefore divided by 20, and if you add these numbers you will get 100 divided by 20. The arithmetic mean is 5. Arithmetic mean is 5, right? This is the solution of question number 2 of exercise 3.1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.